So I wanted to show you today the progress of mostly what I'm going to show you today is what they have done with a variable content type they transform in home field. So I'll install locally the code, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Is if I go to my DEIMS sandbox volunteer, it looks like this one, and it's just very vanilla thing. All I'm going to show you is that. So I add content, and I'm going to add a data source. A data source is what we use to known as the data file structure content type. And so let's just say that source name would be the title. I'm not going to put a body or dates or footer lines, but I'm going to go directly to the variable field, the new one. So, and I'm using this in Internet Explorer to see that I'm being brave. I'm not using Chrome or Firefox. So I'm gonna click here in show row heights and weights, and the compound field appears. And as you can tell, you can add multiple items, and you can start by just adding a new field. Let's just say, codes for species, and then if it has an autocomplete, so if it is in a database, it would have been pulled, and then you can just put a code set, a definition, codes used to ID species observed. Maybe if there were missing values, you put them here, separated by a vertical thingy. And this is a code variable. So in this pull down, you would select whether it's a physical quantity or date or codes. You do codes, well, you put them in the form code level. So you could just put here your codes as sp1, then separate with this species 1, then sp2, species 2, and so on. Then I'm sure that you have more than one variable, so you can always add another variable, and then you would do, like, for example, weight, and then the label might be the same. Weight of this specimen collected, maybe, and then again, in this case, it's a physical quantity, and as such, you have units. And for example, one units could be pounds, and you could have a maximum value and so on and so forth. Here's the order, and here on the right. So that's how it works. Of course, that's a lookup in the database. If you had there like a temperature, you can pick it up. So that's in a nutshell how this new work is.